you've lost access to your Apple ID account and need to regain ownership, follow these steps for a quick fix. This guide will help you recover your account efficiently. Step 1. Visit the Apple ID account page. Go to the official Apple ID account page at apple.apple.com. This is where you can manage your account and start the recovery process. Step 2. Click on Forgot Apple ID or Password. On the login page, click the link that says Forgot Apple ID or Password. This will direct you to the recovery options for your account. Step 3. Enter your Apple ID. Input your Apple ID email address in the provided field. This is the email associated with your account. After entering it, click Continue to proceed. Step 4. Choose recovery options. Before starting recovery, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 5. Reset your password. Once your identity is verified, you will be prompted to reset your password. Choose a strong, new password that you haven't used before and confirm it. After resetting, you should regain access to your account. By following these steps, you can quickly regain ownership of your Apple ID account. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Apple support for further assistance.